Hello developers, welcome back to jQuery series. In this video, we can discuss on the jQuery selectors. Okay, as you know in the previous video, selector is used to find the HTML element and selected that element. Okay, then we can perform any action or event on that selected element. So easily check which event will perform on which element. Okay, but event and action will discuss on later, but right now we should learn about selector, means how we can select any HTML element. Okay, one thing you should remember that jQuery selector is same as CSS selector. That means in CSS we can select any HTML element through ID, class, attribute, element name, like that. jQuery also follow the same method. Okay, but here the extra one selector, that is this selector. Okay, let's take an example for better understand. Okay, suppose we have to write two paragraphs. One is this is P1 and second one is this is P2. In first we have to mention ID equal to PRA1. Okay, and second we have to mention class equal to PR2. Okay, now we will learn how to select and perform any action on that selected element. Okay, so for that first we have to open and close script tag. Okay, then we will use selector. So as we discuss, syntax of selector is $, then within brackets start and end quotation mark, then we have to mention the selector. Okay, so first we have to see how we can select by tag. So simply here we have to write our tag P, then on that select tag we have to perform any function, suppose hide function. So we have to write hide function. After that, now look, all are hide. If we comment this line, then we can see all the paragraphs. Okay, now we can see how we can select through ID. Here our ID is PRA1. So here we have to write has PRA1 like as CSS. Okay, look, that ID element is hide. Okay, now we can see how we can select through class. Okay, here class is PRA2 and here for class we can use dot then class name PR2. Okay, look, that class element is hide. Okay, suppose we have to add an anchor tag and we have to select all these things. Okay, so for that we have to use star. Okay, look, all are hide. Okay, in this way we can do that. Okay, also we can select any class like p.pr2, that class name, then we can see that element is also hide. Now we can see this selector. Let's see how we can write $, within bracket this. It means any action performed on current element. Okay, that we will discuss on later, because when we are using event, then this selector is used. So at that time we will discuss. Okay, then in the next video we will discuss on jQuery event. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.